Saddleback with a 27-7 overall record for the South #1 seed and the champions from the Orange Empire Conference. A 6'5", sophomore guard, #4, Kevin Miller. A 6'1", freshman guard, #12, Kyle Wallace. A 6'2", sophomore guard, #23, Franklin Session. A 6'3", freshman guard, #24, TJ Lipple. And a 6'8", freshman forward, #33, Sharonis Jackson. The head coach of the Gauchos is Andy Brown. Assistant coaches, Dick Booker, Garrett Lax, and Daryl Brown. Tonight's game officials, Horace Shields, Andy Cone, and Brady Chalet. And the Division on Athletics decorum policy is in effect for all games throughout this event. Please be respectful and courteous to each other. The COA strongly encourages all fans to avoid using profane language, taunting, or making inappropriate gestures.